Do you think you have knee osteoarthritis, which is creating your knee pain? Well, this is a really easy correction I gave someone at my office to decrease their knee pain almost immediately. Now, when this patient came in, they told me they had osteoarthritis, and they showed me the movements that it bothered with. Here was the area they were pointing at. Now, we took him through some movements. We took him through a squat and also had him demonstrate which movements were bothersome. He seemed to show mainly into the squat, or mainly a rotational squat. So this is the squat. We're looking at the vector of the knee. The rotational squat here, there's more of a diagonal loading pattern, and I like to use a stick here to show the 3 points of contact on the foot that need to be drilled in at all times. Now, also, too, the stick is a good useful way to show the people the alignment or vector of movement. The second metatarsal, the ankle, the knee, the hip, and the sternum need to be into this line at all times. Now, if we drift out, you're going to notice that my foot also changes contact. That's why I like the foot as a contact, or what we call posting. Notice here on this one, my foot is going to grossly move out of position when my knee moves as well. So you got to drill all those points in. Now, as long as we keep the knee moving in this vector with that type of movement, we should be fine with this quote-unquote OA.